Back to Stalled Projects channel. We've got the Z-Car project going here. We're going to do a little update on it. It's now in color. Everything's been painted. And we're starting to put the car back together. Finally, got the doors hung. Got these fender liners going on. They're all in place now. It's kind of a elaborate bit of stuff for a fender liner, but whatever, it's what it is. Got our drain tubes for the cowl in, all cleaned up and nice. Here are our door hinges. You can see they're powder coated black, and I'm using the stainless fasteners that came with the kit I got. That's what I did with the fender liners as well. All these are fasteners from the big kit that I bought of stainless steel fasteners. Same with the hood hinges. They're powder coated, a little dusty. This stuff will all get cleaned up. The whole car is kind of dusty from being in the shop. It's been a while since I came out and did a video of it. So got it in color here. Let's take a look inside. Got some progress here. We've got our pedal assembly and in place, and our steering column. All the sound deadening for the front of the car is mostly in place, so I can go ahead and get the heater system installed. That's quite a bit of work to do that, but I got to get the sound deadening in first. I wanted to cover everything up front, make sure I got as much of it covered with this stuff as possible, keep it nice and quiet, as these cars are known to be pretty noisy. On back here you can see I haven't painted the hatch, these little hatch compartments yet, or the spare well. We'll get to that eventually. It's kind of low on the priority list. And then so also got a lot of well, all the body parts are painted now. So here's the fenders, there's the rear hatch, fuel tanks prepped and ready to go in the car, and hood, cowl, the valance parts. Over here we got a fender. You can see the back side of the fender. I've coated it with bed liner. Instead of using undercoating, I decided to use bed liner on this stuff. It's more of a plastic substance than the asphalt base undercoating you get in rattle cans or whatever. So I think it's probably a better product to use. It's chemical resistant, and it'll hold up to cleaners and things later in the future. Got my foam strip in there for the seal to the body, and so we're gonna start putting this all together. We'll get some progress reports on it. Should start going together fairly quickly now, so stay tuned. We'll have more later. Alright, it's been a busy day. We got some stuff done. Got the fenders and front end on the car, and I gotta say, it's all going together pretty nice. This backdating using the early valance wasn't too tough to get it on. The radiator core support does hang down quite a bit, but this carbon fiber is just clipped on their air dam. It's going to hide that really nicely, so good progress. The bumper fits great. The hood needs aligning big time, but yeah, more stuff on the car. So we're looking forward to getting onto the interior once we get all this stuff in the car. So another great day of progress.